Look what just came in the mail. I'm so excited! I know this isn't what this video is about, but let's just look together. I'll be talking about this in my Black Friday haul video that will be up very soon, so keep an eye out. I'm gonna refrain from using it until then. Wait, really quick. Again, not what this video is about, but I also got one of their Stargazer highlights. Oh, God. God damn it, Milk. God damn it. Alright guys, so today we're talking about 5 really, really good eyeshadow palettes that I found at the drugstore recently, and I wanted to tell you guys about them. I'm sorry if the light is kind of wonky. The sun is literally right in my face, but I covered my window up, so if it looks like it's going in and out, I apologize. Anyway, so the first palette I want to talk about is from I Heart Revolution. It's a sister brand arm of the Revolution Beauty brand, previously known as Makeup Revolution. This is the Angel Heart palette. I talked about this in a haul that I got recently. Oh my god. Just P-fucking-S. Most of these are warm palettes, just so you know. I mean, this color I just die over. Really affordable makeup palette. And I've said this in other, oh no, this one's broken. Oh. I've said this in other videos. I order like 90% of my Makeup Revolution products from the actual UK website because they have thousands more products available there. Now, it takes a little longer to get here, but I mean, it's worth the wait in my opinion. All right, the next are, I just counted these as kind of one because they're kind of the same brand and the same kind of series. These are the Extreme Access Pocket Shadows. I have the colors Walk of Stardom right here and Red Carpet Premiere right here. I used these on my eyes today. The pigmentation is crazy. Probably my only issues is, and you know what, these kind of remind me of the new Huda Beauty palette with like those stamped granite looking highlighters. This one has a gold and this one has a kind of like a lavender metallic color right here, which is on my eye today, but I put it down with a glitter glue. They're mostly like hard glittery shades, but again, any metallic shade that I ever put on my eye, I always put glitter glue down first because it just doesn't make sense not to. Like, don't you want it to have the most intense sheen? Unless you want more subtle, then obviously don't use it, but I always go for like as much shine as I can possibly get. These are fantastic. I actually got a third one. This is the Pops of Paparazzi. I haven't used this, nor am I going to open it. I'm gonna give it away in a giveaway because it's just one I won't reach for, but if it's anything like these, then whoever wins it's gonna love it. Okay, so anyway, again, j.cat Beauty, Extreme Access Pocket Shadows, really cool. Alright, the next is one I've been reaching for from Wet n Wild like crazy. This is the Not a Basic Peach palette. I'm not gonna get too much into these because I've talked about these in the past a million times. And it's not a big secret if you've heard me talk about these. I love the matte shades over the shimmers. I don't think the shimmers are anything special, honestly, from Wet n Wild. I've never been impressed by them. They feel kind of hard to me in my opinion, but the mattes totally fucking make up for it. Like, they're incredible. All right, the next is a newer one from Revolution, Makeup Revolution, and this is the Reloaded Neutrals 3 palette. A Warm Wet Dream. I know you're all like, these are all the fucking same palettes. They're not. They're fucking not. And the last is from Profusion, and this is the Prism Eyes eyeshadow makeup case. Comes in like this cool metal thing. These are so cheap, and they come with like these great like double-ended brushes, and let me just give you a comparison. You know how like in our Urban Decay palettes we get the double-ended brushes? These kick their asses. I've never used those Urban Decay shadow brushes more than like twice. They just don't work for me. I use these all the time and they're awesome. And this is like $5 for all this, around that. But oh my god, like this mustard shade here, the orange, the red, the purple, the blue, oh my god, they're just so good. They're so good. There's 5 mattes here, the rest are shimmer and satin. If you haven't tried Profusion, like, you're missing out. It's not gonna change your life, but it's gonna help your makeup game. Make sure you guys let me know any eyeshadow palettes that you know from the drugstore that are under $10 that are like mind-blowing. I always like trying new stuff, so make sure you let me know in the box below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.